Hi there, everybody, it's in the whole universe, hope everything is fine, and I'm a Russian who brings value to my experience, and we are walking in Moscow, it's amazing. And today I'm gonna discuss about our today's seminars that happened in my university. I was providing lectures today. It was good, it was amazing. It was the first time for me to discuss in high school level. It means that in a level of the kind of great teachers and on the academic style, and it was good and nice. And today I'm gonna focus more on the thing that happened after it. I felt kind of shy when my kind of pedagogy, the teacher who is kind of raising upper on the upper level, that's not me. That he is on the higher level that I am, and he is kind of the tutor or the mentor, we can say it. And she said to me that she watched my one video in Russian, or at least she read my article about the thing that happened yesterday, and I noticed it. And it was not an article, it was the title of the text title of my video, and I felt really shy. I felt no, because sometimes I think that I'm kind of trying to communicate to my viewers on the language that they understand. And when I notice that someone who uses a higher language and I upload content that is kind of freaky and dorky, then I kind of feel, why do I watch it? It is for another target audiences, and something like this I felt. And I didn't say it actually, but I felt inside of me that it is kind of, I like to be free to say anything in my videos. You remember it. And why don't I share my social medias to anyone who knows me in the real life, especially who is on the level who could provide to me some education or some things like money, dough, and material things. I understand that they maybe will be in a position that they could say something, what do you do, man, and something like this. Well, actually, I don't think this way, what do you do, but I feel kind of that I need to be, they will watch me, they will kind of speak about me, and they will say something about me, and I prefer to use language that is, sometimes I prefer really academic speech. Yes, it's nice, but on my videos I prefer using of the free language, like anything, because I am the person who likes to share things, and it is good, and I prefer to share in my language, in my own terms, in my kind of maybe things that are kind of not super educational correct in the meaning of formulating. Yeah, so it's in the concept it is fully correct. It is nicely and super nice, but actually in the meaning of the kind of I like to speak like you are my bro or sis, yes, sister or brother, yes, and I prefer to communicate this way, and it is actually what I like, and yes, and it is what I do, and it is what I like. It is amazing. And guys, I want to ask you a question. It is asking for I ask a question for you, and what do you think? How should I act? I think that I should act freely, like if it is my channel, okay, and maybe I care because of if I will speak not correct, then they could expel me out of my university, yes, and something like this. But actually, I can share anything on the online. That you understand that I kind of produce content that is kind of inspirational. Yes, inspirational, and it's subjective. Yes, we understand that it is subjective, and I maybe understand that for someone maybe it will not work, for somebody will work, and in most cases it works. I think so, and so I hope that you understand me, that what I said, this talk, and actually today's lecture was good. I communicated with the girls, and we formulated some goals for the next lecture too. And actually we will have more people who will answer. We have, I mean that they were doing expressing themselves, they were doing presentations, they were doing conversation, and I did it with them. We did it. No need to use I did it. I did it in the meaning of that I did it well, guys. That I was moderating it nice. But actually it was thank you to the group. Group is the first that we should say. That they worked kind of really nice. And sometimes really asking questions, engaging with the audience. And it was good. And I like it. And about this, yes, it was good. And also sometimes they were smiling, and there were kind of 20-ish girls in the audience, and one man and one more man. I mean, I plus one more man, and 20 girls of my age kind of ish, and one more teacher. It is our teacher. And she liked it too, our teacher, and people liked it too. They even asked questions after the lesson. Some of them. I noticed it. And it means that maybe I have the quality, or maybe they have the motivation to ask. It was good. So, thank you a lot for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed this. And see you next time, guys. And improve so daily, go forward to your dreams. Need to kind of plan what's the next goals for me, because it was kind of the first academic try to do this. Academic good try, and good, well done, nice thing. I don't know how to say it correct. Well done, nice thing. It is one word with some hyphens between them and dashes. And good, yes. So thank you a lot for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this. See you next time.